decided, Nathan?
They didn't chew.
What?
They couldn't chew.
What else is wrong with this?
It has bat wings instead of pteranodon wings.
What else is wrong? What's wrong with that one?
Oh no, that's just a fold.
Yeah.
Their stance is
best
wrong.
ones.
They weren't like this.
What?
Old-fashioned animatronics.
So overall, how do you rate the dinos?
2 claws, way up.